While it would be ideal if a user became a converting customer after clicking just one of your ads, the reality is often different. On the path to conversion, customers often interact with multiple ads from the same advertiser. In that case, how much credit should each ad receive for contributing to that conversion? Well, attribution modeling helps you in this scenario. Attribution modeling is a method used to analyze and understand the various touchpoints that a customer encounters before making a conversion. And in the context of Google search ads, these touchpoints can include ad clicks, ad impressions, website visits, and other interactions that lead to a desired action, such as a purchase or a sign up. And the goal of attribution modeling is to attribute the appropriate value to each touchpoint. It provides the advertiser a clearer picture of which marketing efforts contribute most significantly to conversions. Let's consider an example to better understand the idea behind attribution modeling. Fictional online clothing retailer Fashion Spot is running a Google search ad campaign promoting their new summer collection. Sarah, a potential customer, is searching for summer dresses and sees Fashion Spot's ad. Her customer journey unfolds as follows. First, Sarah clicks on Fashion Spot's Google search ad for summer dresses, but doesn't make a purchase. Second, later that day, Sarah sees a display ad for Fashion Spot's summer collection while browsing her favorite fashion blog. Third, 2 days later, Sarah directly types Fashion Spot into Google and clicks on the organic search result to explore the website further. And finally, on the same day, Sarah clicks on a search ad from Fashion Spot, targeting her with a discount code to complete the purchase. In this example, without attribution modeling, the final click on the targeted search ad would receive all the credit for the conversion. However, with the right attribution model in place, Fashion Spot can determine that Sarah's initial click on the Google search ad and her second interaction with the display ad also significantly contributed to her eventual purchase. And this approach allows Fashion Spot to distribute credit more accurately and optimize their ad strategies accordingly. Attribution models give advertisers more control over how much credit each ad interaction gets for your conversions. Here are a few benefits of using attribution models. Accurate insights. Attribution modeling provides a more accurate representation of how various marketing efforts contribute to conversions. And this insight allows advertisers to make data-driven decisions and allocate budgets more efficiently. Optimized campaigns. By understanding the impact of different touchpoints, advertisers can optimize their Google search ad campaigns to focus on the most effective strategies. Better ROI analysis. Attribution modeling helps measure the return on investment, or ROI, for each marketing channel and campaign, enabling advertisers to invest in campaigns with higher conversion rates. And finally, improve customer experience. Understanding the customer journey through attribution modeling helps create more targeted and personalized ad experiences, enhancing customer satisfaction. Until recently, Google offered a number of rule-based attribution models that advertisers could choose from. These have now been replaced with data-driven attribution. The alternative to data-driven attribution is last-click attribution, which gives all the credit for the conversion to the last-clicked ad. You might find references to the discontinued attribution models from other sources, so be aware that they no longer exist. We'll briefly explain them nevertheless, so you have an idea of the different ways one can think about attributing conversions. First-click attribution gives all credit for the conversion to the first-clicked ad and corresponding keyword. Linear attribution distributes the credit for the conversion equally across all ad interactions on the path. So if there have been 5 ads involved, each ad gets 20% credit for the conversion. Time decay attribution gives more credit to the ad interactions that happen closer in time to the conversion. Position-based attribution gives 40% of credit to both the first and the last ad interactions and corresponding keywords, with the remaining 20% spread out across the other ad interactions on the path. So if there have been 6 ads involved, the first and last receive 40%, the 4 ads in the middle, 5% credit each. These rule-based attribution models can only approximate the actual impact that ads have in contributing to a conversion. They oversimplify the customer journey and treat every customer and campaign the same. And for this reason, Google has decided to make data-driven attribution the default for Google Ads and only offer last-click attribution as an alternative.